They feel the pain that Jet Airways is not close. Can't help, right? Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So, just let me tell you something. वर्किंग विद जेट एयरवेज इज टोटली एन ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. एक मैं सोचता था कि जेट एयरवेज में काम करना है यार. जैसे मैंने जेट एयरवेज के साथ काम किया ना, वो अलग मज़ा था यार. वो अलग लेवल का मज़ा था. लाइक उसमें एनर्जी थी, पावर थी, लाइक सब कुछ था. वो काम करने में बहुत अलग मज़ा आता था. टुडे आई एम वर्किंग विद एन होटल इंडस्ट्री. इट डजंट मेक मी satisfied, it doesn't make me happy. Though I am in foreign country, though I am in Dubai, it doesn't mean that I am happy with my life. But when I was living a life with Jet Airways, I was totally satisfied with myself. I was totally happy with myself because that feeling with Jet Airways was totally awesome. You cannot define in word. You can only experience whenever you are trying to, whenever you are there. In Jet Airways, interviews were quite tough, but I should also appreciate the management. They used to handle the crowd for Jet Airways for interview. Whenever people travel long way for interviews, they used to guide them to have a proper seat. They used to give them proper, the registration form. They used to make them sign. They used to make them comfortable. In sequence wise, used to call all the employees to give an interview. Same thing was there with me. I just gave so many times of interview, but the rejections were there in my life. After so much of struggling, I could finally crack that interviews. But in Jet Airways, something good was there, that they used to always make their employees very happy with वेरी हैप्पी. कुछ लोग बोलते थे कि तुम लोग क्यों इतना जेट एवेज करते रहते हो. एक चीज़ बोलो, अगर तुम जेट एवेज हम लोग इसलिए करते थे क्योंकि उसमें ना इतना मज़ा था. Though Indigo used to run at time for the first on top first, but the thing is, like, profit making Jet Airways was in loss at that moment. It started getting in loss at that time. When I joined, Jet Airways was going something were in loss, but when they ordered Max, it went more down. I don't know, I should say or not, but somewhere around Max was a bad luck for them. Max was really a bad luck for them because when they started flying for Max, they went to deep loss. They declare a loss. होता क्या, लाइक उनको बोलते हैं ना कि एक चीज़ बुरी आने से सब चीज़ें बुरी होने लगती है. वही चीज़ जेट एयरवेज के साथ होने लग गई थी. मैंने भी यही सोचा था कि जेट एयरवेज एक अच्छी कंपनी है आगे जाके सब सुधर जाएगा, बट नहीं. आगे जाके सब खराब होते क्या. इन द मंथ ऑफ मार्च एवरीथिंग वेंट मोर वर्स्ट. लाइक जो फ्लाइट जाती थी वो अब जाने भी नहीं लगे, पूरी कैंसिलेशन आने लग गए. CSA अपना एक अलग टेंशन ले रहा था because the passenger used to get on their head, literally used to take it on their head for the refund, for the flights. बहुत हार्ड था उस टाइम पे एक एम्प्लॉय के लिए कैसे रहना, एक मैनेजमेंट के लिए कैसे हैंडल करना. बहुत प्रोसीजर हुए कि एयरलाइन को बचाया जाए. SBI ने बोला था कि हम लोग 1500 फंड, they will put 1500 fund to save the airline, but that things didn't happen. Many things came, many bidding came. The bidding also came that some of the future plans, like from the international companies, are putting their fund to save Jet Airways, to come up with new plans, future plan. But कुछ ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं. Harish Goyal made the airline through his travel company, but however he made it at best. But can't say he was the main reason behind closing a company or not. But the things went so beautifully and smooth when Jet Airways was running. For every employee, Jet Airways was so cool. कभी कभार लगता है कि क्या था ये जेट एयरवेज, काश हम लोग भी जेट एयरवेज के एम्प्लॉयज होते. मेनी पीपल थिंक इवन राइट नाउ यार जेट एयरवेज क्या कंपनी थी यार, उसका क्रू का यूनिफॉर्म क्या था यार, उसके CSA का यूनिफॉर्म क्या था. इट वॉज समथिंग अमेजिंग. बोल रहे हैं कि जेट एयरवेज वापस आएगा, कोई लोग बोल रहे हैं कि जेट एयरवेज नहीं स्टार्ट हो सकता. There are many things behind this thing, but starting an airline company is not an easy task. You have to invest a lot. People are saying like they will put 700 fund to start an airline, to start with the domestic sector. It doesn't mean, it's not an easy thing to start with the domestic sector. They said like they will start and they will take their max back. It's not easy, sir. Whenever you ask me, and as an employee for Jet Airways, I can tell you it's not, because Jet Airways has to pay too much of loan, he has to pay too much of debt. Their ex-employees' salaries they have to pay. Still, no matter what, if you save an ex-employee salary, even Jet Airways start, people who were employees for Jet Airways in back, they will surely come again and they will like to join their company. People who are working with different airline industry right now, people who are working for Jet Airways in past, and the same people who are working with the present company, like with a different company right now, ask me their experience. They will say like, forever 9W. For us 9W was love. For us 9W will remain love, and it will always be our love. in future till I will to see 9W soaring into the crowd again. I would like to go for Jet Airways again. I would like to work for Jet Airways again, no matter for what's the salary. But the thing is, like, you should be happy what you're working for. It shouldn't be like you're working for 12 hours, working for 13 hours, working for 15 hours, and you're having a sleep for 8 hours, 9 hours. It doesn't make any sense. You should have some fun in your life. You should have that people in your life. You should have that employees in your life that who can make you happy. Same thing for me. Even in case Jet Airways start, I will surely go. Doesn't matter for me what's the salary or what's not the salary. But in future, I know I can get something better. I am an employee for Jet Airways. You can feel what I mean to say, what I am saying. You can feel the pain inside me. कोई भी होगा अभी जेट एयरवेज का एम्प्लॉय, वो एक पेन फील कर सकता है यार. कोई भी पूछो, किसी को भी जाके पूछो. आई नो माई दिस हैंड रन्स अ लॉट, बट that's good thing. That's a sign that you're open, that you're always open to yourself, you're open to your thoughts. That's what I mean to say. I wanted to see Jet Airways soaring again into the crowd. Even who want to see Jet Airways soaring into the crowd, they're all the old employees. I don't know about the future employees, but they're all old employees want to see them flying again. They all want to work again with Jet Airways. They all want to sit at Sagar and have a cup of tea again after their break, during their break timing. They all want to go in P for canteen and have to work again for no matter what they're working for an airline industry right now. For us, Jet Airways was love. Jet Airways will be love in future also. Whatever I speak in front of camera is all free. I don't care what I'm speaking and I'm not speaking. It's all free of my mind, because whatever feelings I have inside me, I'm speaking. Whatever things inside you have, you just speak in front of camera. It doesn't mean that what you're speaking or what you're not speaking, it shouldn't come up. People who would like to speak for Jet Airways will always speak. That is a great thing, if you're working for an aviation industry, it doesn't matter to you. The confidence automatically goes, it automatically grows. We'll put their status, it's been 1 year of Jet Airways. We miss Jet Airways. The sadness on their face clearly looks, they feel the pain. Jet Airways is not close. Can't help, right? Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you didn't like the video, there is an unlike button. Please like the unlike button, and if you like the video, please click the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, we'll try to make the vlogs good, but I know I'm not finding that good way, but in future I will surely go for good. Thank you so much.